Most companies have problems being able to capture the rationale, process and sign-off for changes being made to a project and its related data and documents throughout the project's lifecycle. This is important in order to comply with the demands for traceability by regulatory bodies. In our experience, we often see this being managed manually through having different folder structures for different versions and controlled through a manual change process. This is a method that has a high level of risk associated with it, as it relies on human actions to place the correct data in the correct place, and there is no automated audit trail from one version to another, resulting in that they still have a lack of traceability and that the audit trail have to be manually made when the regulatory bodies request it. But with Minerva PLM, you can streamline this as data and processes are managed and controlled in the same system. Let me show you how this is done in Minerva PLM.
Today Mike is going to create a new project from a template inside of Minerva PLM. The first thing that Mike does is that he navigates in the table of content to projects and creates a new project. This brings up the form where he inputs the name of the project. He will then give it a start date. This start date will be used to calculate the start and end dates of the different phases that have been in this template that he is choosing as the one for this project. Once he presses save, the project is automatically created, and also all the deliverables for this project is either created or being ready to be created through the instantiation process that has been shown in another video. We can also see that all the relevant information is already populated inside of this template or project. One thing that is for this project is that the patent filing is not necessary, as all patents are already filed for this project. So Mike sets this deliverable for patent filing to inactivate. This means that this deliverable will not be included in this project. Another thing is that in this tailoring phase, it has been proven through experience that the architecture design that is set to be done in the concept phase, that is too late. So Mike is moving that up into the feasibility phase of the project to get that started sooner, so we don't have any delays due to this specific deliverable. Now Mike is happy with how this project looks. So we have all the phases, we have the start date, we have the end date. So now it's time to start or activate this project. That is done by running through the gate review process, which will set the feasibility to the active phase. He does that by just initiating this gate review and pushing the workflow for this. Now this is routed to the relevant people for approvals. So now all he can do is wait. A little time goes and the gate review has been through its approval process, and we can now see that the project alpha is released and it's on track. If we now open it, what we can see is that the feasibility phase has been activated, all deliverables are on track, and now Mike can start work on his deliverable. So he starts by instantiating the business case and can start working on the content and actually delivering the data.